Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. We're here today for the grand opening of H Mart here in Orlando, Florida. We've been waiting for this for 4 whole years and it's finally opened up today, September 25th. We actually did not have to end up waiting in line very long. It was actually like around the building, like all the way down to the end of it. But we actually did not end up waiting at all because my grandmother had a cane. And I thought it was very respectful of the staff that they let her in. They said that no, grandmother doesn't need to wait, so they let her in. Here is the store. It is the largest H Mart in the entire world, and oh my god, there was so much to look at when we were in here. It was like wall to wall full of things that you could buy. It was just crazy to see. We passed by some of the first few items. Like when you walk in the store, the very first things are like some homewares and all of that. So they had things like bedroom slippers, stationery, little accessories like phone cases, some random assorted plushies. They even had things like cups and mugs or bento containers, things of the sort, which were really adorable. I loved seeing all of the Pokemon ones. They also, here's all the bento containers as well. Some of the cups that we saw too. They had like glass and ceramic ones. Very, very cute stuff. I loved it so much. They had a lot of promotions going on right now, and I'm sure if you guys come to visit, you can get the promotions too. But they run for a very long time actually, till like late October-ish. I know some of them said like till October 26th or like on October 31st, aka Halloween. So if you guys are in the Orlando area, I highly recommend you guys go check out the sales. It's definitely a lot more things than Lot, which is the other market down the road. Definitely prefer the stuff here. It's very clean. The staff were very on it as well. They saw stuff running out. Very polite. It was absolutely incredible how they handled all the people. I think for opening day and whatnot, and even as it continues on, because we've heard reports of it still being busy. They had a whole bunch of live and steamed seafood as well. So much seafood, guys. Like, I couldn't believe it. All sorts of different kinds of fish, crab, shellfish. It was just incredible to see how much fish they had. Definitely recommend getting some of the seafood here, and it definitely is fresh. Very affordable. They had Dungeness crab for $12.99 per pound, then like whole lobsters for $9.99 per pound as well, which we thought were incredible deals. They had like a self-serve meat section where you can get your own strips of beef. They had like ready-to-go meals, kimchi, all of that stuff. A lot of hot foods as well, like side dishes. I actually got the kimbap to enjoy at home. There's some like beauty and like other gifting stuff they have in the front. Very cute. I love seeing all of the Sanrio plushies and stuff as well. Here are some of the stuff that we got today in our cart. Just some groceries for the week. Some of our favorite instant food as well. And here's how it was leaving the store. It definitely did, again, a very good job with crowd control and stuff like that. We found the lobsters we got as well today. The live lobsters, and we just steamed them at home. Very, very delicious. Very soft. And had like a bunch of meat too, which is really nice. I think it's $9.99 per pound. They were also running a special at the H Mart. If you bought a certain amount of items, you'd get some free gifts, including like a cup if you signed up for the membership thing that they have. So it was really nice of them to offer as well.